What's up, Madlang people? This video is about the rods that I have. It is the less expensive versus the expensive rod that I have. So today I just got the Rockaway SP by Okuma, and it is very light. I like it. I like the style. I like the color, and I can compare that to the expensive rod that I have, which is the St. Croix Legend Tournament. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, here you go, guys. So this is the new rod that I just got, which is the less expensive versus the St. Croix Legend Tournament right here. Check that. Check out the spec. So this is the medium light Rockaway SP, and this is the medium light St. Croix Legend Tournament. This rod right here is only $115, and if it goes sales, when you get lucky, maybe you get $80 for those SP right here, compared to this 370 rod right here. This rod right here I haven't used since I got them, not even once. As you guys can see, it's collecting dust right now. Compared to this one, they are both very light. So check it out. They look nice. So in my opinion, if you don't have the budget and your budget is only around $100, I highly recommend the Okuma Rockaway SP. But if you have the budget, if you have the money, of course, you're gonna get the Legend Tournament, okay? Because that Legend Tournament right here has a lot of backbone, okay? Compared to the Okuma, of course, $115 compared to $370. As the saying says, you got what you pay for, okay? So that's just my opinion. Again, there's a lot of rod available out there, but I just got this Okuma right now, and I can tell you, get it, okay? Get it. Not to mention, I have the St. Croix Triumph in here also. I got the Phoenix Trifecta, and I got more rod right there, like the Hawaiian Custom in pink or so. But as I said, in my opinion, if your budget is around $100, get it, guys. Get the Okuma Rockaway SP. That's it. Don't ask me. Just go get it and you'll find out why. Get it, guys.